we are ready to head out. We got everything packed up, all the bikes in the back. This is why we need a van. Look at the back of this truck right now. Completely just stuffed with stuff. It's a mess. But anyways, before we head out, well, first of all, hey, what's good, you guys? How you guys doing today, man? I hope your day is going great, and if not, watching this video will make things 10 times better, baby. You guys already know the vibes. We back at it again. Like I said, we are actually about to head out. We got Tyler in the back, but before we head out, and I don't know how many times I'm gonna freaking say that, but before we head out, we gotta stop by Mountain Motorsports to grab some freaking two-stroke mix because we don't have any. We need it. I mean, like, we can't go without it. It's not like we just not get any. So how you feeling this morning, bro?
Straight, good. Straight?
Yep. That's it? No, you ain't ready to win?
Yeah, I'm ready to win.
Are you sure?
Get whole shot and then get first place.
Alright, say so, do so.
I was riding in the ghost with a ghost gun, seeing you out with your kids, so you're one.
Tyler is actually, he's gonna miss his second practice. Well, he's gonna miss his first practice. He's over here taking his sweet little time. And he's gonna, hurry up, dude. They're already on practice number 1. He's practice number 2, and he's gonna straight up miss it. I'm over here warming up his bike for him, and they're already at staging and everything. And he over here playing around with his feet. See what I'm talking about? Hey, by the way, your bike told me that it hates you for not riding it for so long.
It's not my fault. Where's my helmet? I mean goggles.
Bro, do you not know where nothing is, bro? Oh my gosh. I gotta find everything for this man. Here. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, load it back up. Come on, bro, hurry up and stop playing around.
I had the clutch in. Now it's about to work when you hop on it. Watch. See?
I don't know why they got the fire truck here, man. You know what happened?
I wasn't out here.
Somebody said he flipped over his bike a couple times. To get through, you know, most of everybody that's out there. Some people had a few sketchy moments in front of me. Track wise, the track is pretty slick and thick right now. Just got to deal with it at this point. Honestly, that was my first time out there running those sight laps, getting used to the new track layout and everything. I like it. It's much better than the last track layout that they had, so I'm rocking with this a little bit more, but obviously just got to run it a few more times. I got a few more practices to go out, and so I got time to get used to it. You know, to figure out this 125 out here like this, you know, we're getting there. Y'all getting tired out there?
No, the track is way funner than it was before.
Yeah, I agree. Like, I like the track better now than it was before, but dude, I'm tired.
I went down in like the, you know, like before like like that big double, you know, the roller kind of like going in. So, you know how it's like piled up, the mud? My front, I was trying to make a pass, my front hit it, and I got stuck and I tipped over.
Did you like it crossed a little bit?
Kind of. I said I like the 125.
It's fun, I'm getting used to it for sure.
Do you like the 2-stroke better?
I don't know yet. If it was up to me, I would literally erase all this footage and not let you guys see any of that. I was not ready. They dropped the gate and I was still getting myself together. So
I wasn't ready either.
you didn't get the start?
No, 'cause I didn't know. I just heard all the bikes going, but I didn't see the person out there. You know, they're supposed
Blame
to
my cameraman, y'all.
No.
Don't even worry about it. We're not gonna count that because GoPro died midway through anyways. It was terrible. We're not gonna think about any of that, what just happened. We're gonna simply move on, get ready for College Boy, and then get ready for another 250 race. And we're gonna be ready off the start this time. My throttle is sticking like crazy right now. Hold on. We got a little bit of an issue. The damn throttle sticking. Dude, my throttle's sticking. Yeah, that's not good. See if we can fix this real quick. I think what happened when I fell on this side of the bike, it pushed the throttle housing up against the bar, so it was rubbing right in here. Yeah. That's probably what happened. You can see all the dirt in here too. Is that a piece of mulch? Dude, there's a piece of mulch. Dude, you know what else? My freaking, this plastic housing is probably cracked too. Ah, dude, damn. It's got so much dirt in there. That's definitely, look at it. That's definitely what it is. I've got mulch and dirt inside my freaking throttle thing because my grip is ripped.
I'm getting old.
Because it's, look, because it's ripped. I'm gonna have to do surgery here. Look at all that. Go get me like something to stick in there. All right, just get it out of there, Dr. Anderson. Ugh. Yeah, dude, I knew this. I knew this thing was cracked when I went down.
What is it?
Oh, look at that. There we go, baby. So there we go. We gotta clean this better when we get back to the crib, or just order a whole new assembly. Ugh. Better than it was, I guess.
Tate grabs the whole shot. It looks like maybe the number 26 of Raymond has jumped up front. Yeah, that's Raymond out in front. I wondered who that was in practice. Now I know. Listed according to Kawasaki. Well, there's K's involved in the first leg of full blocks. No, Kawasaki, Tate, and Ivy though are. race winner, Bryson Raymond. First winner of the 450 Pro class. Now who is going to be for second? Hobley has been going after Tate here these last few laps. He might not be close enough here going into the final turn. It's going to be Tate hanging on for that number 2 spot. One line being that it is a part of the regular racetrack, so.
They want me to do a backflip with them, but I'm in boots, so I don't know how this is going to turn out. Ready? Yeah. All right, we're going. Let's count down. 3, 2, 1. We're not in boots. I could never do it. That was Gray's second race in 250 Pro, and he had it at first. He let Bryson get the best of him. Well, Bryson took a different line than Gray did on one of the jumps over here, so that's really where he got him. But he had a good start, and off, here he is right here. Which was his ride. You tired, bro? This was his first ride since he got his motor back. You guys saw in the last video that I didn't even know, but he got his 250 bike back and it's fully redone. The motor is redone, so this is his first ride on it. Like, I know what I got to do now. Those last two races that I did obviously wasn't the best start. So now I know if I get a decent start and then make it around the first turn pretty all right, I can hold my position pretty well if I don't get tired and fall like I've been doing. But hopefully we got it in the bag. What are you doing? What are you doing?
To be honest, I have no clue.
Oh, got a little slippery right there. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Excuse me. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I got him. Thought I did. Oh, I got dirt on my nose. Oh! Oh my gosh, dude! Oh, I got it right here. Let's go. Watch out! Try a new line. Oh, stuff is that? See ya. Excuse me. Last corner. lot better, baby. Way to end the night on a good note.
I'll see y'all later.
White gold, keep it lace gold chain, keep the beast inside and the hoes insane. Rockin' Mary jeans in a Lambo truck with 2 powder bags and a ball main frames. 5 in the game plus 1 that's stitch, cause you know YV gotta get that